Welcome back to Pets on Parade. Now, we are so excited to welcome Senate Majority Leader John Kavanagh, who has been a true champion for animals throughout his almost 2 decades of serving in the legislature. He's passed 18 animal protection bills, far more than any other legislator in history, and was key in getting SB 1658 across the finish line earlier this year. As shelters face unprecedented overcapacity challenges, the need to address pet overpopulation has never been greater. As Senate Appropriations Chair, Senator Kavanagh was able to appropriate $500,000 in much-needed spay and neuter funding. And thanks to his leadership, he's been elected as Majority Leader. We couldn't be more grateful for his advocacy efforts, including the passing of SB 1033 earlier this year. And here to talk all about that is Senator Majority Leader John Kavanagh, as well as Dr. Stephen Hansen. Thank you both so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you, Kelsey.
Now, we are so excited. It has been truly an incredible year for advocacy, like we mentioned earlier in the show, including the passing of SB 1033. For anyone who might not be familiar with that, can you kind of give us a rundown of what that does for Arizona Pets?
Sure. And I guess the biggest part has to do with increasing the bond that people have to place when their animals are seized because there are allegations of mistreatment or neglect. It was $25, and we raised the amount up considerably. I think it was $250. And this is important for 2 reasons. Number one, it can help provide funds to humane societies because they're tasked with caring for these animals while they're away from the potentially abusive owner, and they need to be compensated. But in addition, when there was $25, people would quickly reclaim their animals and re-abuse them, which was pretty horrible. In addition, we now have a 10-day hold, so this gives time for the police and the Humane Society investigators to develop the case so that if, in fact, there is culpability on the part of the owner or whoever had the dog or a pet, they don't get them back. They can be prosecuted and brought to justice.
Absolutely. Now, like you mentioned, this is definitely going to be a great thing, not only for pets that are seized from cruelty, but also for the organizations that care for them. Now, what inspired you to lead the way in the passing of SB 1033?
Well, the Humane Society, I mean, they're boots on the ground. They have their investigators and their response teams, and they are called by the police when these horrible situations occur, and they're the ones that have to deal with it, which, you know, is important for the animals, but there's a considerable amount, no doubt, of psychological trauma, because some of these scenes are just gruesome. And they told me of the problems of, you know, people getting the pets back too easily because the bond price was too low, because there was no hold period for this. So that's really what inspired it. The people who are doing the good job need to be backed up by legislators and the government.
Well, thank you for being a voice for the voiceless. Now, Dr. Hansen, like we mentioned, we are no strangers to these cruelty cases. Our EAMTs and cruelty investigators are out there each and every day assisting local police in these horrific cases of potential abuse. Now, what does the passing of SB 1033 mean for the Arizona Humane Society specifically?
So, as Senator Kavanagh mentioned, it does help us substantially because the raise in the bond amount will help offset some of the cost of us holding the animals for the required 10 days. It'll basically offset just a portion of it. It offsets essentially the same as boarding. Generally, we invest about $1,400 per animal, so it doesn't come close to covering that, but it does help.
Absolutely. And like we mentioned, you know, making sure that we have time to be able to go through that process, making sure that the courts are able to get all the evidence, so if there is true abuse, that we're not putting them in harm's way. And now the Arizona Humane Society definitely is no stranger to advocacy. It's been a wonderful year for being able to get stronger laws for our pets. What does that look like for us, and why are we so excited to be able to have such great legislation such as this?
Well, legislation makes such a big difference to animals in Maricopa County and in the state overall. This year was huge for us. SB 1658 was also passed, and that, of course, is the bill that did define housing outside, which we mentioned also, which is very critically important. And it also changed the definition of suffering, which is going to help us when these cases actually end up in court. So we're really excited about that. 2 years ago, we were key in a telemedicine bill. The Arizona Humane Society now has the only telemedicine program for the public in the country. We have 2 veterinarians that are taking calls. You can go on our website, azhumane.org, and you can sign up for a telemedicine consult.
Oh my goodness. Well, none of this could happen without incredible leaders such as you, Senator Kavanagh. Thank you so much for all that you do for leading the way, and congratulations on becoming Senate Majority Leader. We are looking forward to working with you for more years to come.
We've only just begun.
That's right. The work has only just begun, as always. And of course, as always, thank you so much for all of our advocacy community partners who have allowed us to be able to pass these laws and to be able to speak for little ones like Luke here. And speaking of adorable Luke, we'll introduce you to this little one later on in the show. Stay tuned.